Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to my channel, Pre-Market Update. We'll review S&P 500 cycle analysis. We will review all the other indices. We'll review crypto, and we'll review any other commodities and any other stocks you like. You can put a comment down there, and I will add it in my next update. All right, SPX chart. You can see second analysis. We are right now in this rising phase. This rising phase is ending in like next couple of days. So I'm expecting this potential white line. So this is S&P 500. So it's possibly stalling here, maybe chop around here, maybe going slightly lower, and then eventually going in this down here in the declining phase from mid-May to end of May. I do expect this low to hold. So you can see this previous low, we are down almost 6%. Um, it could be a high low or it could be a low low, but as of right now we will have to see when we start this decline. We can chop around here in next couple of days and then start this decline, and then either maybe we make a new low or we make a high low. Right now it looks like it could be a high low and this is the bottom, but this is going to be a great buying opportunity. Okay, and then we bounce. So that's all I'm looking for on cycle analysis. And let's go side by side comparison, and let's make this chart ready. And by the way, guys, if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button and share this channel with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel so yeah, you get notified as soon as new videos out. Okay, so we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison right now, and I'll put on the right side S&P 500 daily chart, and on left side is only for day trading. You can see we are now in the going towards sell zone. So you can see it was very nice short zone. So red line is where we sell, and green line is where we buy. You can see we're almost down 0.65%. So it's a good trade if you shorted here, and I post and I provide these details, screenshot of these levels to my subscribers. If you want to join, there's a YouTube red icon, click on it, subscribe. There's also a Discord link, join Discord link, it's free to join, and let me know your YouTube ID and I will add you to members only section where I share these videos and screenshot of these levels every day, every hour. So you can see right now where we are, we're getting very close to the buy zone, and it's 51.90, getting closer to buy zone. And if you look at right side daily chart, that's where this support as well, this red line, which is 50 simple moving average. So we're getting very close to support, and you should not be looking to short here. Okay, you should be looking to buy. So a lot of people might be shorting. It's too late to short. You want to short in and on strength. Okay, so you can see here this was a strength where we are in the red line from yesterday. That's where you want to short. You don't want to short here in the green line. So we're getting very close to the buy zone, uh, and SPX SPY opening on a gap down. Also, there's a gap here around 511. So worst case, we can go all the way down and fill this gap and then bounce. So from where we are right now to fill this gap is around 0.7%. That's quite possible in one day, and then we can bounce. All right. So keep that in mind. All right. So looking for a little bit more downwards pressure on MES. Can find support in Greenland and then bounce. Let's look at Nasdaq, MNQ. The zones MNQ is very close to the buy zone already. Okay, so a little bit more downside and we'll be in the buy zone. It's around 18,099. And again, on the daily chart, also this is where the support is coming. So also triple Qs, which is the Nasdaq ETF. Let me show you on the right side. Ignore this left section because you have to trade using the futures triple Q, and you can see still a little higher. The gap is here around 435.94, so they could come all the way down from where we are right now, a little bit more downside around 0.64%, and that's where it's going to be perfect entry to buy triple Qs if you can. All right, so that's on Nasdaq. Dow Jones is also it's a bit stronger than other indices right now in the middle, and Russell 2000 might be the weakest, and that's already in the buy zone right now. Okay, you can see here. So I think from my perspective, Russell could be the best trade, and it's already in the buy zone. So it could go a little bit more lower. The red line is coming 2041, so it could go a little bit lower, and that's a nice buy zone if you want to buy there. And if I look at IWM, there's a gap all the way down to 202, so that's where you should be looking to lock in if you're shorting, but short-term chart is telling me we are due for a bounce very, very soon. Let's look at Tesla real quick. It's down in the buy zone. All right, so looks like they want to fill this gap 169. This was China gap pump after news of him visiting China. This could still be high low even if they fill this gap. I think they will definitely fill this gap. It's already down 4%. So fill this gap and then they're going to start going higher. So this could still be a higher low compared to other. You can see this could be a change in trend. So it really needs to hold here and start bouncing very, very soon, Tesla. All right, gold. Gold is in the middle, bouncing from the buy zone right now in the middle. Silver is also bouncing from the buy zone right now, going higher than the neutral zone, going towards sell zone. That's where this resistance is also coming, this 20 moving average. So um, uh, yeah, so the time to buy is gone. Now just wait for it to short. If it goes above 27.5, that's a good area to short. Crude oil is, I think, going towards buy zone. It is in the buy zone right now. Okay, nice massive dump from I don't know what time this was. Yesterday around 1 p.m. to right now, almost 3% dump, but in the buy zone. So also I'm getting an 8 count buy signal. So looks like it's getting ready for a bounce. But yeah, this is telling me do not short crude oil here. Natural gas just keep pumping since it broke 2.18 level. So now in front of resistance, 7 count sell signal could have 8 and 9 counts next couple of days. It's coming near some resistances. Just remember there are a couple of gaps it left open, these green lines, and in the short-term chart also in the sell zone. Bitcoin right now in the buy zone, going towards buy zone. That's good. And if I zoom out, you can see it's still making lower highs, lower lows. You can see here Bitcoin high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This could be a lower high, and then we could make a new low. It's possible. That's where the supports are. So and the indicator is showing me here still green line is above red line. So as long as it doesn't flip, green line goes below red line, I think we can remain bullish. This could still be a pullback you want to buy, and then it's going to go higher, right? So as of right now, this indicator is telling me that it's possible we make a little bit low and then we get a bounce from here, all right? And we're gonna go towards 80k, 90k. That's quite possible, all right? So keep that in mind. Ethereum, let me show you levels. Here you go. So very close to the buy zone, Bitcoin. Ethereum will do whatever Bitcoin is doing. It's already in the buy zone. So also keep an eye on Bitcoin. Right now, I don't have any preference on Ethereum, but just telling you short-term chart is telling me it's in the buy zone. So you don't want to be shorting it here. Hang Seng Index is in the buy zone. So got 9 count sell signal a couple of days ago. Going towards 17,559, that's a gap, so it could go all the way down to fill that. But short term right now, day trading chart is telling me a bounce could be coming very, very soon. So keep that in mind. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap up today here. If you want any particular stocks for me to review, just put a comment there. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start keeping it short, so it's very, very effective for you guys. And let's look at VIX to wrap it up. Already filling this gap and we could expect a bounce. That's what I was thinking. So gap is almost filled. Now going towards a bounce, and that could be, so the weaknesses may could be starting like I was thinking here on S&P 500 cycle analysis. So we could be chopping or we could start a decline. So we'll see how it goes. Today's price action will tell us what's going on. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.